watching this video because you want to learn how to limit Instagram, or Insta, as the kids say. Alright, so again, this is for the desktop version because your phones differ. So let's pull up the desktop version, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click your profile picture. From there, you'll see an option to click your settings. From there, click Privacy and Security. Once within the Privacy and Security tab, you'll see at the top under Account Privacy an option that says Private Account. Check the box and make your account private. This is probably one of the easier ones of all the social media, certainly easier than Facebook. You're just making your account private. It's not like Facebook where you have to limit past and future. Here you're private or not. Just go private, post away, and the insurance company is not going to see a thing. Alright? Feel free to watch this video again to make sure you got your instructions down, but again, we're just trying to make you private. Thank you for watching.